having a blast. Gonna get it on the Hostfully podcast. Hostfully like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely. If you want my respect, you better put direct. Here are the words in the podcast, that's what comes next.
My name is Mark Simpson and I give hosts all over the world, just like you, the tools, the tactics, the training, but most importantly, the confidence to go and get more direct bookings. And I've been asked a question, who should I go with for my digital guidebook? Should I go for Touchstay or Hostfully? And here is my honest answer. After testing and trialing both and knowing both of the owners and the people who work there for years, my honest answer is I would go for both. The reason why is that they are both fantastic. They are both two of the biggest people in their digital guidebook world. And I'm a massive fan of both of them. My main advice to you is to go and test each one. Hostfully, you can start for free. So head over to hostfully.com, register an account and use the free tools for the free guidebook. Go and test it out, see how you like it, see how you use it, see if you can get used to it. Touchstay has a very small charge, but again, it's a fantastic service. There's a fantastic team helping you. The most important thing in this video, and the thing that I want to tell you, is that you need to get a digital guidebook in 2021 and beyond. It's going to become one of the most important marketing tools that you can have, because instead of having something just lying on your kitchen table when somebody arrives in and something they're never going to read, you can get them excited about your stay before the booking by sending them a link to the digital guidebook that they can look on their phone or their computer. They can already get to suss out the area, your recommendations. They can maybe start to book things. And if you do it right, then you can add in upsells that you can actually start to make more recurring income coming into your business through it. Digital guidebooks give you that, and they also give you the ability to answer every question that a guest potentially has even before they arrive at your property. If you do a digital guidebook right, then a guest should never have an open-ended question before arriving to your property, and that's the power of a digital guidebook. So whether you choose Touchstay or whether you choose Hostfully, my advice to you is to go and get one and get it set up and get it implemented into your business. I recommend both of them. I love both of them. I think they're fantastic people who work there. Brad, David, and the gang at Hostfully, and Andy and Tyan at Touchstay. I know them all really well. And it's like asking who's my favorite child, and I have 3 of them. So I can't do that, and I can't do it with this. So please take this video. Please take my advice, and if you do one thing in 2021 is go and get a digital guidebook.
Whoa, having a blast. Gonna get it on the Hostfully podcast. Hostfully like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.